cell division? It is a process in which parent cell is divided into two daughter cells. So it is actually division of parent cell. Division of parent cell into two daughter cells, and those daughter cells may contain same number of chromosome, or they may also contain haploid number of chromosome or half the number of the chromosome of the parent cell. Why this cell division is important? First, cell division is important for the growth of plant and animals, repair and healing of wounds, Not only this, it is also important for continuation of the species. So these are important. These are included in the cell division. Production of sex cells. In meiotic division, what happens? Sex cells are produced. Production of sex cells. So what is the cell division? We have discussed cell division. Now there are three types of cell division if we are talking. Cell division. It is categorized into three categories. One, amitotic division. Mitotic division and meiotic division. So in this way, cell division is divided into three categories. Amitotic division is also called binary fission. See, this type of division, binary fission, is seen in amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and etc. Euglena and etc. This type of division is seen, but mitotic division is seen especially in somatic cells. These body cells mainly. In animals, two types of division is seen. One is mitotic, other is meiotic division. So before going further, we will discuss what is cell cycle. When we are talking about cell cycle, it includes the stages from growth of the cell to its division. All the stages from growth of the cell to its division is called cell cycle. So we will write cell cycle. What is cell cycle? Cell cycle. Cell cycle includes stages cell cycle includes stages from growth of the cell to its division. Known as cell cycle. So cell cycle, see, it is clear to everybody. Now we will talk about mitotic cycle. Mitotic cycle, it is also a cell cycle which includes in the somatic cells. Mitotic cycle we are going to talk, which is included in somatic cells. Mitotic cycle. See, when we are talking about mitotic cycle, two phases come in this. One is interphase and other is mitotic division itself. Mitotic division itself. So firstly, we can draw this mitotic cycle also. Interphase has three stages. First is G1 phase, growth 1. Second is synthetic phase. Third is G2 phase. And mitotic division is included after that. So in this way we can draw the mitotic cycle also. In this way we can draw mitotic cycle. So what we will write? We will write G1 synthetic, G2 mitotic. This is known as interphase. Here it is interphase. So mitotic cycle is drawn. After interphase, all the four stages of mitosis will be included in this cycle. This is the cell cycle. Now for cell division, two things should be clear. One is karyokinesis, other is cytokinesis. See, firstly I will talk about karyokinesis. Firstly we will talk about karyokinesis. See, division of nucleus or nuclear division is called karyokinesis. Now this division of nucleus may be seen in mitotic division or meiotic division. Mitotic division or meiotic division, karyokinesis is seen. After this division, division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis, which follows karyokinesis. Cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. Division of cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. So we will discuss now mitotic cell division in detail first, then we will go to meiotic cell division. See, mitotic cell division is a division of cells in somatic or body cells especially, and this contribute for the growth of the organism, for the healing of wounds, for the maintenance of the chromosome number. All these things are important and they are included in mitotic cell cycle. So now we are going to talk about mitotic cell cycle, but before that one thing is I have left, that is interphase. See, when we are talking about interphase, it means it is a preparatory phase for the cell. When cell prepare itself for the cell division, prepare itself for cell division. So how it will prepare for cell division? Many things to be noted. Cytoplasm content double, will be doubled. Second, number of organelles will be doubled. Doubled. Third, nucleoplasm is also doubled. So in this way, during this time, cell prepare itself for the cell division. There are three phases in interphase. First one is G1 phase or growth 1. Growth 1 or gap 1 phase. Growth 1 or gap 1 phase. Now what happens in this phase, in G1 phase? See, in G1 phase, protein synthesis starts. In G1 phase, protein synthesis starts. So this is the G1 phase, gap 1 phase, when which protein synthesis starts. Then comes your synthetic phase. In synthetic phase, DNA synthesis starts. DNA synthesis starts. Then comes G2 phase. G2 phase means growth 2 or gap 2 phase. Here what happened in G2 phase, DNA and protein synthesis continues and completed. DNA protein synthesis continues and terminated. Means here DNA and protein synthesis is complete especially. So in this way interphase is clear. Now we will move and we will talk about mitosis.